Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reduce battery drain caused by Life360 while still staying connected. So let's get started. First of all, adjust the location setting. Go to your phone settings and go to the privacy location services and go to the Life360. On iPhone, set location access to while using the app and turn off precise location. On Android, choose battery saving mode and location setting. This reduces GPS use in the background. Then another step is to go to the or limit the background app refresh. On iPhone, go to the settings, general and background app and refresh and disable it for Life360. On Android, restrict the background activity in battery settings and app power management. Life360, this prevents the app from constantly running in the background. And another step is to manage circle and place updates. Fewer location updates means less battery usage. Reduce the number of circles or places you track or pause location sharing temporarily if you don't need the real time. Another step is to enable the low power mode. Use your phone low power or battery saver mode during the day. This further reduces the background GPS. You can simply click on the power saving mode in the Android phone. This further reduces the background GPS uses and keep your battery long lasting while Life360 runs. And that's it. Now Life360 will use much less battery while keep your location sharing active. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.